literally can't do this.
How am I supposed to go outside like this?
Oh, this is so weird.
Bottom.
She does not look too happy. Oh no.
You need to go inside. No!
You need to change. Come on.
Oh my god, I literally look like a raccoon.
You can't tell by my appearance. It's been a long week. Hello guys, so I'm gonna be doing a challenge video. I'm gonna be only wearing lingerie for a whole week. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try to make it work. Yeah, this is gonna be a little difficult, but we can do it. I look insane right now.
Like, please just, you.
Oh my goodness, guys. I have such exciting news. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you wouldn't know this. I'm officially an ambassador for Savage X Fenty, which was founded by Rihanna.
Like, what?
Me? I'm so excited to be working with them, and what is my life? So I'm so honored. I'm just so excited to be working with them because I love what they stand for, and they're all about wearing lingerie for yourself and to feel good in your own skin, which is pretty much all that matters, right? All the lingerie that you're gonna be seeing in this video is from Savage X Fenty. I will link them down below. But they have some awesome deals going on right now. You can pick 2 bras or bralettes for $29 on your first extra VIP order, and you can mix and match, which is super nice. And you'll also get 50% off your entire order. They're having an amazing Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. You can get 65% off your whole VIP order, which is so good. Like 65% off. Oh, I look scary. I'm not gonna do that. Also, I definitely recommend taking their quick, fun style quiz to find out which Savage X you are. So yeah, don't forget to enter your email to get those exclusive offers because you do not want to miss out. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just a little bell thing, so definitely click it. Definitely follow me on Instagram and say that you got sent from this video. Okay, I guess here comes Monday. Monday, here we go.
Okay, so this is my outfit for, oh, my shirt's gonna fall off.
Yeah, work it, girl.
This is the X knit crop cami and shorts, and this is in the color, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's a red cognate. I don't know. And then I'm wearing the sheer marabou short robe, and it's super cute.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like this one is more on the conservative side. Some of you guys are probably like, no, that is not conservative. I feel like this is mostly like a pajama type lingerie thing. My dad is outside hanging up Christmas lights, so he's gonna see me when I walk out, and we're gonna see what he has to say. I currently have to go pick up my brother from school. The bus stop, but I think I'm gonna drive there because I don't want to like get out, and you know, I also have to get gas, so we're gonna do that, and it's gonna be really awkward. So what do you think about my outfit?
You need to go inside.
It's cold, it's so cold. My dad was not a fan of that. I have like leather seats, so it is freezing. Gotta go pick up my brother now. Oh my god, I see my brother. I see him walking over here. Okay, this is gonna be funny. I wonder if he's gonna even notice my outfit, because I do be wearing some weird stuff, so I feel like he's not gonna be that shocked. Hi!
Why are you wearing that?
What's wrong with it?
Obviously not.
Oh my gosh, it's so busy.
Why are you doing this?
Oh, there's like a line. Usually it's like not busy here at all. Why is there a line?
What are you gonna do?
Ew, there's people. Oh no. Oh my god, this is so bad. Guys, I'm so nervous. There's so many people, and I feel like this is gonna be really awkward. But I need gas. I literally only have like 10 miles on my car. Oh my god, this is so weird. Kind of gonna cheat. I'm gonna go through the back door because there's a lot of, my butt is literally hanging out. So, this is great. Oh my god, I feel so uncomfortable. This is so weird. Oh, this is so weird. Okay. Oh, I feel like people are staring.
Yeah, there is.
I'm doing it for you guys' entertainment. She's giving me really mean looks.
You can see on the bottom.
She does not look too happy. Okay, I only filled up like $10. That was like probably one of the most awkward things I've had to do for a video. How do you think that went?
I think it's the kimono that makes it look like, you know.
I only got $10 worth of gas because I literally could not stand out there anymore because it was so embarrassing. Was it awkward filming me?
Yeah, kind of, because the lady looking at you.
I know, she looked like, what kind of face was she giving me? Good thing she didn't see my other outfits, that's for sure. Also, my extensions look ratchet. I did not blend them out.
So it is Tuesday right now, and I just did my makeup and I have stains all over my shirt. Can you see it? Because I always wipe my makeup hands and brushes on my shirt that I'm wearing. As a special occasion, I got a quad. Pretty much gone, so I'm like, you know what I mean? For today's lingerie, I'm feeling a little sporty action, you know? I already have the bottoms. This is what it looks like. I hope I'm not gonna get demonetized. It's pretty much like I'm wearing a bathing suit, right? This is the high leg bikini set and the top is in electric blue and the bottoms are in black caviar. I love the little band thing right here. I think it's so cute. I'm like obsessed with this set. I think it's so cute and so comfy. I obviously can't go in public wearing just this, you know? So we need to figure out something to wear that'll make it more like PG-13, you feel? Since this is like a really sporty outfit, I was thinking of pairing it with like some sweats. Oh, these are kind of big. I'm gonna have to tie this. The struggle of like losing weight, I literally don't fit in any of my stuff. I look like a psychopath. Ooh, found it. I look like Urkel. That looks so stupid. This is Tuesday's outfit. I'm pretty much just gonna be staying home and editing, so editing. So I'm just gonna be chilling, so this is the perfect outfit for that. So tired of doing my makeup every day this week. Like usually I only do my makeup like twice a week. It looks like I had like a really long day. So for today, I feel like I should curl my hair because we need to like change up the looks, you know? I'm gonna be wearing this chiffon dress and it's in natural tiger print and it's kind of jungly. So I picture like curly or crimped hair. So we're gonna change it up. I'm gonna curl my hair. Let's do a little time lapse of me curling my hair. In because why not? So I need this piece and we'll take her. Okay, hair is curled and now I'm going to change. I feel like I should have a more dramatic eye look, you know, like a dramatic black smoky eye / winged eyeliner would be cute. Okay, I'm just gonna take off my eyelashes. Why did I do that? We're just gonna wing it. Get it? Maybe not. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh no. Not bad. I look scary. I'm gonna be back. I just spent like 30 minutes trying to fix it and I look spooky. I literally can't do this. I'm just kidding. Yeah, guys, my makeup. Let's not get too close because it's kind of scaring me. I look like a raccoon. Let's see my dad's reaction. Dad, do you like my outfit?
Sorry, no.
I did get cute Instagrams. I don't know how the eye makeup looks good in those pictures because hoo-wee, it is not good. Yes, I'm naked, but so today is a little tricky. This is gonna be my outfit. The only problem is that it is completely sheer, so I don't know what I'm gonna put under it to make it, you know, not rated R, but this is called the sheer marabou jumpsuit in purple fairy dust, which I think is so cute. The legs have little fuzzies. I don't really know what I'm gonna do or put under it. I was thinking about putting like a bathing suit under maybe. Let's see here. I'm just gonna put a plain white bathing suit on and then put that on top. We're gonna try this out. These legs are so funny.
Imagine if I like went to the grocery store in this.
Like, what's up? Trying to get my groceries. Oh, this would be a cute picture. Me checking myself out. Let me show you what I could see in the mirror.
How am I supposed to go outside like this?
Okay, what should I do with my hair? Guys, I found the perfect ponytails for this outfit. I think I'm gonna go with this one because it matches better. So I think we should put this poof in my hair because, hello? My nipples were like lopsided that whole time. Love that. Did I shave my armpits? A little fun fact for you guys. Like 2 years ago, I got my nipples pierced. I can't believe I'm saying this. And it hurt a lot, number one. Number two, I took them out because it was really hard to heal. Was that too TMI? I don't know. A little poof or two. Ow. Is that cute? I feel like it looks weird from the front. So this is my outfit for today. Currently eating a burger. Oh shoot. Honestly, if it was summertime, I feel like I could get away with this outfit. I'm wearing a Savage X Fenty bra and some jeans, and honestly, I could probably get away with this if it was like summer maybe, or if I'm going clubbing, I don't know. Maybe I'm just losing it. So today I'm gonna be extra fancy and wear this lace corset, which is in black caviar, and I'm in a size medium. So I'm gonna have my mom help me put this on, and we'll see what it looks like with this. Oh. Did you hear that? I think it's like bringing up my burps as you tighten it.
The waist is snatched.
Wow. That would be nice. What do you think, Mom?
I like it. I think it's really pretty. It's very classy.
Whoa, this looks crazy. I'm literally the hourglass emoji. I wonder what it looks like. Oh, I love that. Waist is snatched. When I do that, my hips look so big. Do you see that? I can barely breathe in this. Okay, so I'm officially done. It has been a long week. Ready to wear regular clothes. Definitely comment below, let me know which outfit you guys like the most. And if there's any other challenge video, you guys, whoa, I can't even talk. Yeah, comment them below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's just Krazyrayray. But I'm gonna take my raccoon makeup off and go to sleep because my eyes literally feel crusty. So yeah. Don't forget to subscribe down below and to my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just a little bell thing. So I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.